Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on Tesla post-earnings here in trading what we would call a gap and trap. If you're not familiar with gap and trap, what do I mean by that? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning the price opened up there, hence a gap up, and then things just got absolutely brutal. After the price opened up, made a slight move to the upside. Some poor souls were buying right there. And then the rest of the day, down it went. So a very, very savage day. Like I said, the best way to summarize today from a trading jargon perspective would just be to call it a gap and trap. But that has now placed the chart at some very interesting technical areas that a lot of traders, in my opinion, are going to be watching, myself included. And the big level that, like I said, I think a lot of people are going to be watching moving forward is right here around this 1475 mark. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and you can see 1475, generally speaking, I mean, we're talking about a $1,400 stock here. So give or take $10 has provided quite a bit of support. And in fact, that's essentially right where the price bounced off of today. So is it a guarantee? No, guarantees don't exist. But my point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price does revisit this area and cannot hold above it and falls to the downside, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So keep an eye on that from the support side of things. On the flip side, in the event the price decides it wants to start to head back up, first key area of resistance to watch closely is going to be right here at, let's see, what is that? We'll call that $15, or not 15, way more than $15. $15.40 would be that first key level of resistance. And the next main level after that would be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. And the current value of that is, we'll just call it right there at 1581. So these are going to be the main technical levels I'll be watching going into Friday. But yeah, overall, total gap and trap today. So it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.